My name's Pete, manager of Torque Motorsports, and I got
Ren with Torque Motorsports.
And we're a local motorcycle shop. We're trying to get started here in San Diego. We do anything from track to everyday use, stunt bikes, custom paint jobs. We also service motorcycles. We sell every piece of apparel you can think of on the market.
If it's not in stock, we can get it within 24 to 48 hours for you. Our grand opening is Friday, July the 19th. Friday, July the 18th. On the 19th, we're also having a sale, and on the 20th, that Sunday is a great celebration. We're going to have a stunt show, models, food, barbecues. Come on out, check it out, have a good time.
Out for Import Image if you want some free stuff. We also got some free spotlights that we'll be sending out later on.